Uniform text and dimension. In relation to previous lesson how to scale, here are ways how to uniform the text and dimension. Here we will work at the Layout tab. First we need to set up dimension style. On the Layout tab type D for dim style, then press enter. On the Dimension Style Manager select New. Then let's name our new style as Dim Text Standard, then press Continue. On Dimension Lines Color let's select color 144, then press OK. On Line Type no changes. On Line Weight no changes. On Extend Beyond Ticks no changes. Baseline Spacing no changes. On Suppress no changes. Extension Lines Color we will select color 144, then press OK. Then on the rest no changes. Then we will go to Symbols and Arrows tab. On arrowheads first let's select right angle. As you see it will automatically change the second same as the first and we leave it that way. Then on the leader let's select right angle. Then arrow size we do nothing. Arc length symbol no changes. Center mark no changes and unit no changes. Then radius jog dimension jog angel no changes. Break size unit no changes. Linear jog dimension jog height factor unit text height no changes. Then let's go to Text tab. On Text Appearance Text Style. Instead to use standard we will create our text. Press New. Then let's name our style name. Dim Text. Then press OK. Let's change Arial to Romans.shx. Then no changes on the rest of the option. Then set current. Then press Yes. Then let's go back Text tab. Then let's change text style into dim text. Then text color let's change to green. Then fill color do nothing. Text height do nothing. Fraction height scale do nothing. Draw frame round text do nothing. Text placement vertical let's change outside. Text alignment alight with dimension line. Then text placement no changes. Then view direction no changes. Then offset from dim line no changes. Then let's go to Fit tab. Then on Fit option. If there isn't enough room to place spot text and arrow inside extension lines, the first thing to move outside the extension line is choose Always Keep Text Between Extension Lines. Then on the Fine Tuning check Draw Dim Line Between Extension Lines. Then check Suppress Arrows if they don't fit inside extension lines. Then on the rest do nothing. Then we will go to Primary Units tab. On Linear Dimensions Unit Format Decimal no changes. Then on Precision let's choose 2 decimal point. Fraction Format no changes. Decimal Separator no changes. Round off no changes. Prefix no changes. Suffix no changes. Measurement Scale, the Scale Factor unit no changes. Apply to Layout Dimension only no changes. Zero Suppression no changes. Angular Dimensions no changes. Precision no changes. Zero Suppression no changes. Then let's go to Alternate Units. On Alternate Units. No changes to all. Then let's go to Tolerances. On Tolerances no changes to all, then press OK to save all our setup. Then set current as Dim Text Standard. Then close. Then Layer Setup. On your keyboard. Type LA for layer then enter. Then create new layer by clicking this icon. Or at your keyboard hold Alt then N. Then let's rename this layer as Def Points. As you see automatically layer def points cannot be print. Then new layer and rename this layer as X hide line, then let's make this layer unprintable. Then def points color change to color red. Then X hide line color change to color 250. Then going back to Layout tab. Then let's create our paper 29.70 cm by 21.0 cm that will represent as A4 size paper. On Layout tab we will use paper in centimeter because the dimension style text that we created was equal to Microsoft Word text size 10. To ensure that our text will be readable size. Then on the Model tab I prepared a sample drawing for our dimension text. As you can see, they are uniform because we are using one dimension style. Then on the Layout tab, let's change the A4 size paper layer into def points. So that this line will become unprintable, then let's make a border line 1.50 cm all side of our paper and make sure it is layer 0. Then we will create 4 M view in the Layout tab. Then 3 of the M view will be on layer X hide line. Then the other one will stay at layer 0. But B will change its color to red. Now the purpose of layer X hide line is to hide the line whenever we need to hide the line in the Layout tab. Then we will scale our view. The command was zoom, scale. Then the desired scale. Then enter. Then select all M view. Then mouse right click. Then display locked. Choose yes. Then left click. To lock the M view to avoid accidental changes of scale value. The value of the scale was explained on previous lesson. Then add some callout to complete the drawing. Moving on. As you can see, in different scale the text varies on Layout tab. To uniform the dimension, you can use annotative, but it will be on another lesson. For now I will only show how to uniform the text manually. First you have to dimension the drawing from Layout tab for once in every M view. Then move cursor inside M view, then click outside M view. Then type ch space. Then select objects such as our dimension. Then enter. Then do this to all M view. First move cursor inside M view. Then click outside M view. Second type ch space. Third select objects such as our dimension. Fourth then enter. On the Model tab, you will see the dimension we inserted from the Layout tab. Then type MA. For match properties. Then match the inserted dimension to its previous dimension. Then do it to other drawing as shown, match properties the inserted dimension to others. Then adjust the layout sheet to its likable orientation. Then as you see, all text and dimension are perfectly uniform. Before all dimension are varies to each other. After all dimension are uniform in reference to A4 size paper. While on the Model tab. Before it was uniform on Model tab. After it become varies in Model tab but uniform on Layout tab. You can also create text on Layout tab. And ch space the text to Model tab, or just simply leave it on the Layout tab. Next lesson will be about annotative text and dimension. For more content, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notification. Thanks for watching.